Hey, it's Patrick again, and today I'm going to show you how to add collaborators and viewers to your projects on Framer. Inside the project, navigate to Invite. In the top right hand corner, you can paste or type in the email of the person you'd like to give access to. You can grant them edit rights or viewer rights and send them an invite directly from this panel. New members will appear on this list here, down here. If you'd like to share via link, adjust the rights using this drop-down menu. Copy the link to your clipboard and send via email, text, or wherever you like. If you'd like to manage rights for the entire workspace, navigate to your home up here, then click on Settings, Permissions, and adjust the settings for the whole workspace right here. And there you have it. That's how you add collaborators and viewers to your Framer project. See you soon.